Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Rey Starz here from Rey Starz Reactions. And today we are going to react to Joé Dwèt Filé, Kampe. This track was originally introduced to me by a friend. Like she picked me up, we're heading to the beach in Venice Beach. And she put this in the car and I was like, oh my God, what is this? So my first reaction was unbelievable. So your first time listening to this one, you are going to be amazed. All right. So let's take a listen. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't want to forget that one. All right, let's go.
Ça vient d'un crétin, y a pas de magie. On vient, on prend tout comme ça, y a pas de gâchis. Pas de semblant, full baby dans 4 matiques. Elle habite solo et ça c'est fantastique, ça c'est méchant. Y'a les baby, c'est large et c'est crazy. J'ai ton épaule, dis-moi, tell me. Si j't'ai poussé, money, pay me. Yo, Judas, précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches with me, babe, c'est tout droit. Ta carte est plaque, disons alléluia. Da, da, da. Yo, Judas, précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches with me, babe, c'est tout droit. Ta carte est plaque, disons alléluia. Da, da, da. Baby, j'ai l'étal, vini. Da, da, da. Vini, vini, pas timide. Da, da, da. Drive en Lamborghini. Da, da, da. Chérie, nous sous ça, Kampe, da, da, da. Bamele, bamele. Ah, na, na. Full BBL, baby. Da, da, da. Bamele, bamele. Ah, na, na. Chérie, nous sous ça, Kampe, da, da, da. J'étais enchanté, Capi ça plus les compter. Je remercie Dieu parce qu'on a la santé. Je monte pas baby sinon y aura trop de débats. Allez, trop talent. Depuis le vent de rose il y a trop talent. Juste m'a dit je t'aime mais c'est trop marrant. Cette bitch m'a dit je t'aime mais c'est trop marrant. Mais c'est trop marrant. Yo Judas, précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches with me babe c'est tout droit. La carte est black disons alléluia. Da, da, da. Yo.
Whoa. A banger. My goodness. Like I said, the first time I heard this, we put this on loop. I mean, non-stop. I think this one is just like good vibes, good feeling. This is all about partying. And it was a great thing that we were heading to the beach when my friend put this on the radio. I mean, in her car. That was amazing. And Joe's been around for a while, but I think this one is going to like bring it to the top, right? Because like right now, he's a French Haitian brother who is doing some, his compa, and also there's a little bit of urban feeling in there as well, right? And at the end of the song, you are going to hear the compa is gonna come in, right? The compa is gonna come in. Great job, and I think that this brother deserves a lot of like big ups, right? Oh, by the way, if you know Tonton Bichard, he did like a big shout out to Tonton Bichard, big respect to Tonton Bichard. I really appreciate that. Joe did the right thing. Kampe originally is from Tonton Bichard for many years ago, and I think Joe was still a kid back then, right? But I'm very happy with this one. Great work from Joe. And let's get back into it. Tonton Bichard, of course, everybody knows him. He'll make you laugh like crazy. Great work. Let's get back to this. Like I said, this is like a happy tune this is like a party tune, and everybody and the remixes are like crazy. This is a song that I haven't stopped listening to. Let's get back into it.
Précis comme le sable d'un Yakuza. Si tu marches with me, babe, c'est tout droit. La carte est black, disons alléluia. Baby, j'ai le temps, vini. Vini, vini, pas timide. Drive en Lamborghini. Chérie, nous sous ça, Kampe, sous ça, Kampe dan. Baby, j'ai l'étal, vini. Vini, vini, pas timide. Drive en Lamborghini. Chérie, nous sous ça, Kampe dan. Pamele. Full BBL, baby. Pamele. Chérie, nous sous ça, Kampe dan.
As they say in Creole, mes amis. I hope you guys learned that one. This is like, wow. Okay, this is still banging in the clubs. If you go to any like jam in Florida, that's what they're playing at the moment. And I think this jam is gonna be around for years to come. This is great. And I hope like we're all supporting Joé Dwèt Filé. Big up, great job. And please, as always, let's support the artists. Yeah. Thanks a lot. This is Rey Starz for Rey Starz Reaction. Hoping to see you on the next one. And as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. All right? Nah. All right, my people. We'll see you again. All right? Thanks a lot. Okay, this is a really good one. Peace out.